This is Cave Blush, a glazed polished porcelain tile with a mottled, shades of grey appearance, smooth surface texture and gloss finish. Produced using the latest inkjet and manufacturing technology, Cave Blush is able to display a luxurious look and feel, while still carrying the low maintenance and long lifespan of a towel. Not only does Cave Blush create a sense of spaciousness with its generous rectangular sizing, it is also robust and resilient, making the grade for stain, crack, temperature and chemical resistance. Cave Blush is suited to interior floors and walls, setting a cool, calm and collected tone in bathrooms and bedrooms, and creating stylistic harmony in kitchens and living areas, as it sits comfortably next to natural elements and also pairs well with glass and metal finishes. Cave Blush is guaranteed to bring a sense of seamless practicality to any space it goes into. Shop it online or in-store at Italtile.